Hey guys, the car guy Paul here, just for a little tip of the day. I just want to briefly touch on something that I think a lot of people who take on car loans where the rates are high because maybe some credit issues, a little bit of strategy, right? Most people say you're biting the bullet when it comes to these car loans where the interest rate is so high. I can tell you for sure my interest rate is above 20 on my car. Because of mistakes that I made in my past. Now the idea is to do what I'm going to be saying right now. So two things. One, biting the bullet's a thing. It takes about a year of you paying on your car for your credit to improve to a state where you might be eligible to refinance or trade out of it. It's usually about a year, right, where the banks will start to look at you. The ones that are not giving you crazy rates. But a good strategy to have too is you can do it on your own, or there's companies out there that do it so you pay every 2 weeks. And why does that help you? Well, you get charged something called simple interest on your car loan. I'm sure if you're about a house or if you know about buying houses, they charge you the interest way up front. They're making you pay the interest up front unless you're paying that off quickly. In a car loan, you only pay for what you use. So today they charge it, tomorrow they charge it, but that's a very finite amount of the total interest. Say you paid an extra payment today, well, the whole principal drops, so that it makes a little mark on what the interest is charged for the day. Okay, so when you pay things, say if you want to pay things every 2 weeks, people get paid bi-weekly or every week. So if your payment's $400, you want to pay $100 a week. In theory, you actually will pay that car off faster than say you do 72 months. Now I know there's math involved, and I don't have a little chart like I'm working on the chart, guys. But what it does is it makes you pay off some of that high interest more quickly, right? So if you're gonna do that, if you have to get a car loan where the rate is high, and to get yourself ahead of it, plan to pay a little more, pay every 2 weeks, even if you can't pay more. Make that extra effort. The reason being is because it's gonna help you in the long run to get out of that car or to refinance it, down the road. So hopefully this has been helpful. I know it's quick, but I want to kind of touch base on it. I work in just financing as my specialty. I've been doing this for 20 years. I honestly believe that if you have no current car loans, you've been on the job for about a year, and you have some money down, $1,000 or 10% of the value, you should be able to get finance somewhere. Like again, repossessions, if you have something real recent, sometimes that doesn't work out. And then obviously the more money down, the better. The banks, obviously, if they have less money to give on a loan on a vehicle that's worth more, they're more apt to do that and make that risk. So thanks a lot. Love to hear your comments. Can't wait to talk to you, and I'll see you out there.